My name is Shannon Heupel,
And I'm Caitlin Heupel.
and we own the Dough Shoppe, which is an edible cookie dough shop in Ashwaubenon, Wisconsin. So we traveled to Buffalo, New York for teaching for classes, and we came across a cookie dough shop in Buffalo, New York, and it was very busy, and so we decided we liked that concept. So we started testing recipes, and the doors opened November 9th of 2017.
So the reason we're different from the place in Buffalo is that we use pasteurized eggs in our recipe, which allows you to take the cookie dough home and bake it into cookies as well. So we really wanted that to be a part of that. So our customers can come in and they can get scoops of cookie dough. We do a 1, 2, or 3 scoop. And then we also let them, if they do a 2 or 3, to do different flavors.
So we have chocolate chip, peanut butter lovers, salted caramel dark chocolate, white chocolate macadamia nut, snickerdoodle, sugar, and M&M. And then we also have a monthly flavor that we rotate out monthly, and then plus 2 gluten-free options. One is chocolate chip, and then one is the monthly flavor. So our mission statement, our motto, I guess, for the Dough Shoppe is to be the good. We just want to show others love and kindness and to be the good, especially in this day and age. So all of our proceeds from our tip jar every month go to a nonprofit. We also have fundraisers for school. 1 day in November we gave to Lights of Christmas. So that's really important to us, just to be the good. We chose Valley because we wanted something that was local, smaller. We didn't like the national companies just because they just were all over. We liked that intimate relationship that we have with Valley. Our sales rep does a great job finding the products that we need and just keeping in contact with us, so it's been great. So when, the question was asked, do you become members? We didn't hesitate. We became members within the first month of business. So partly, business is really good, and so we were able to make that decision and say, yeah, we'll do it.
So our business is just doing very well, and we're very blown away by the success, and we're just also, because of that, thankful that Valley Bakers is so dependable and reliable to get us the product we need on time.